My beloved children, my sight and knowledge are unaffected by anything. I know everything that is going on around you, even as you read this message. I am fully aware of the events and situations that appear to be secret or enigmatic. Recently, a government drone tracked your location. You'll be shocked to learn why. I'm here today to talk to you about something that can seem startling, even frightening, the discovery that a government drone has been tracking your location. However, don't be afraid. I'm with you and have everything in my hands. Sometimes the world works in the dark, with acts and motivations that appear perplexing or dangerous. According to Angel Michael, you are being watched by higher, divine beings who are attracted to your special energy rather than just earthly energies. However, I assure you that nothing is concealed from me. I can see all of their plans and objectives, whether they be those of governments, agencies, or private citizens. There's a reason this message reached you. Write "I'm ready" in the comments section to claim the revelation Angel Michael is about to give you if you're prepared to accept this. As the all-knowing, all-seeing God, I am aware of everything that is done to you or anybody else. Your distinct destiny, a route unlike any other, is symbolized by this mark. It is an indication that you have a bigger purpose for being here on earth than you may think. Knowing that your movements have been tracked may make you feel vulnerable. It serves as a reminder that there is more to your life and your journey than meets the eye. Angel Michael is here to give you a profound insight into the path that lies ahead. But listen, my might surpasses all authority, technology, and power on earth. I am your stronghold, your defense, and your bulwark. It attracts strong powers to you by radiating through the invisible worlds. They sense something really important in you and are captivated. No matter why this monitoring has taken place, it cannot overturn my plan for your life. This explains why you are being watched and why your entire journey is being attentively observed. Even though the cause for this tracking may appear startling, my intentions for you are still sound. Type "I am seen" to claim this powerful presence that surrounds you, if you're prepared to accept the energy you possess. Regarding your current course, Angel Michael has a message for you. If you believe in me, I can and will change what was meant to cause you anxiety or uncertainty to your advantage. Keep in mind that I am the God who transforms what was intended to be harmful into something positive. Your faith is frequently put to the test by difficulties and unforeseen circumstances. Will you have faith in me when things appear unclear or even dangerous? No matter what occurs in the world, will you remain steadfast in your belief that I am your haven? Why? You have a special spiritual resonance and a radiance that are uncommon in this planet. You have a mark on you that is invisible to the naked eye but obvious to people in higher planes. What appears to be spying could instead be a part of a much bigger scheme. You possess a vast amount of power and extraordinary potential. You might have had an internal spark, an intuition, or a feeling of something greater in the past. I am working in ways you cannot see, planning things to ultimately honor me and bring you blessings. Have faith that I am bringing everything together for the better, even right now. Such incidents are sometimes permitted to reveal the truth, covert agendas, or systems that require attention. For you, every instant of life has been meticulously planned, even though it may appear to be a sequence of chance happenings. You have been shaped by your experiences, both positive and difficult, and have been ready for this particular moment. If this tracking has taken place, it's because I'm letting it do something useful. Trust that I am in charge, whether it is to prepare, warn, or protect you. This mark serves as a reminder that you have a mission and is a calling. If you embrace the part you are destined to play and feel this calling inside yourself, you are a type I. The enemy uses fear to divert your attention from my presence and impair your judgment. My darling, resist the urge to succumb to dread. Recall that I have given you a spirit of strength, love, and wise judgment rather than one of fear. Get ready for what comes next, and Angel Michael's message will change your life. Turn to me when you're uncertain. In prayer and by reading my word, seek my insight. I'll help you and provide you with the clarity you need to react to this circumstance. To ask is to receive, to seek is to find, to knock is to have the door opened. Your reality will be rocked by this moment, making you reevaluate all you believe to be true. A barrier of love and light has been put around you by the divine to protect you no matter where you go. I call you to be intelligent and watchful, but I also call you to trust me. Observe the situation around you, but try not to let it control you. Even when you can't see anything, have faith that I am working behind the scenes. However, Angel Michael wants you to understand that you are not alone at all. This protection is a gift, a guarantee that you will always have direction, no matter what. This incident serves as a reminder that I am in charge. The cosmos has selected you to receive this message today because of this power. Type, I am powerful, in the comments to embrace this. There is no human plan, no government, and no technology that can contradict my desire for your life. There are times in life when you feel as though you are the only one carrying the weight of the planet. You can relax knowing that I am your best guardian and advisor, even if it doesn't seem obvious at first. Have faith that this occurrence is intended for your ultimate good when it occurs. Obstacles and difficulties present chances for development. It's the same here. Recognize that each exam is a necessary step on the journey to your greatest potential. He tells you that something unexpected is going to happen in your life. Allow it to bolster your trust, increase your dependence on me, and serve as a reminder of the safety that comes with being my child. Type, I'm ready for change, if you're ready for this moment that will change your life. One day, what you are going through right now will serve as evidence of my faithfulness. Have faith that I am using everything for your benefit, and you will realize why everything is happening when the time comes. The divine has taken notice of the strength you hold. It's a power that can help people around you find serenity, wisdom, and healing. My dear, I understand your worries and can see your emotions. I am aware of the doubt that can try to establish itself and the questions that are always racing through your head. Let me remind you of this. I am the beginning and the end, the Alpha and the Omega. Angel Michael tells you that even though you may feel like a regular person, you have something extraordinary in your spirit. My plans for your life cannot be changed by any force on earth or in the spiritual world. Even if you weren't aware of it, you've been waiting for this moment. It's a cosmic push in the direction of your destined path, a heavenly intervention. Even if this moment is frightening, I have power over it. Have faith in me, for I am your pillar of support and safety. Angel Michael wants you to understand that you are not alone on your path. For people around you, you are here to serve as a lighthouse and a source of guidance. Even though you might not be aware of it, just your presence can inspire, uplift, and give others hope. That and why angels are all around you, watching over you at every turn. Whatever happens, you are secure in my care. Have the faith and fortitude to tackle whatever comes your way. Do not allow this incident to take your peace or cause you to lose faith, my kid. Never forget that I am superior to everything in this world. My intentions for you are excellent. They are to give you hope and a future, to prosper you rather than hurt you. Even while the path may not always be obvious to you, you can be sure that every step is directed. Angel Michael encourages you to maintain your faith and to keep in mind that you are being guided toward the light even when things are gloomy. Even though you might not fully comprehend everything at this point, have faith that I am working in your best interests. Lean into my presence, cling to my promises, and allow my serenity to protect your heart and mind. According to Angel Michael, you will unconsciously emit a light along this road that will impact lives in ways you can't yet fathom. You don't have to alter your identity. Until the end of time, I will always be by your side. I am your God, so don't be afraid. I will support you, assist you, and empower you with my righteous hand. Type 1 Believe. When you learn that a government drone has been tracking your location, I can feel the worry in your heart, the questions that race through your head, and the uneasiness that consumes your soul. I want to reassure you that nothing in your life occurs without my knowledge, even though this news may seem shocking or even frightening. Today's message from Angel Michael serves as a reminder to have faith in the process. Every meeting and experience contributes to the bigger picture and the divine purpose that is perfectly timed. As the one who sees everything, understands everything, and possesses all power, I am the Alpha and the Omega. These diversions can take many different forms, such as uncertainties, temptations, or others who aim to sabotage your path. Allow my words to calm you, lead you, and provide you with clarity on this incident. It is possible to turn what was intended to frighten or perplex you into a chance for increased trust, comprehension, and harmony with my desire. However, he also alerts you to forces that will want to divert you from this course. I was aware that this would occur before you even realized it. No government, technology, or worldly power functions outside of my omniscience. You are now a soul on a mission that cannot be stopped by obstacles on earth, a fighter of light. I am protected if I accept the warning as well as the benefit. You can be confident that I have already taken this tracking into consideration in my plans for your life, regardless of whether it was done for benign purposes or as a component of something more intricate. Angel Michael offers you a final blessing as the message draws to a close, but he does it with a caution. Wisdom, bravery, and supernatural strength are the blessings. My thoughts are higher than your thoughts, and my ways are higher than your ways. Be assured that I am working behind the scenes, even though the reason for this tracking may seem unclear or perhaps surprising to you right now. Now is your moment to take charge, assert your authority, and firmly pursue your goals. Allow no uncertainty, fear, or hindrance to get in your way. You're prepared. What appears to be a threat or intrusion could instead be a prelude to a bigger revelation or benefit in your life. All of creation is standing by your side, and the universe has prepared you for this time. Angel Michael is waiting for your reply. Remember this promise: no weapon made against you will triumph, even if this tracking was done maliciously. I am your stronghold, your castle, and your guardian. If you put your trust in me, I will turn any plans that are intended to harm you to your advantage, but you can retain the blessing for yourself. Angel Michael surrounds you with a shield of spiritual protection that will keep you safe and help you stay on course. I occasionally let things like this try you out and make you better. Accept them as assessments designed to determine whether you are genuinely prepared to realize your full potential. I use difficulties to remind you of my sovereignty and to deepen your faith. When things seem beyond your control, would you still have faith in me? Will you trust me and believe that I am working everything out for your benefit? Recognize that you are loved, supported, and prepared to face any challenge. Such incidents can occasionally serve as a warning of more significant problems in your life or in the world at large. You have received a clear word from Angel Michael. You are unique, selected, and here for a much bigger purpose than you could have ever dreamed. Throughout this journey, pay attention to the things I am teaching you. It could be an appeal for more consciousness, discernment, or action. This is the last decision, the turning point that will determine the future. Type 1111 if you believe in God and make sure to hit the like button.